All right, in this video, I want to show you how you can do this transition from having a log footage and a color graded footage, having these transition whips. So you see here, I overlaid 3 clips, one in S-Log, one in Apple Log, and one in D-Log. So what I want, you can see the footage, and then I want to see it color graded. Then I want to see it flat, and I want to see it color grade again. And I want to have these transition. So all I have to do now is cutting all these 3 clips here, what you can see here. And then what I do is I mark them because they should be colored. So I press then D, it's going away. So now I have only these applied here. When I go to the color tab now, I can see them here, and I want to disable the plugin. So now they look flat, because otherwise you have 6 different clips here and you can't figure out like which one is the one in the middle you want. So now you see these are the log clips. So now we are bringing them back with D again. So now you see it's color graded. Let's turn off these. So now you see it's color graded, it's flat, and it's color graded. So now I want to have a whip transition. So all I have to do is going to the toolbox here, and it's called Edge Whip. So you apply the Edge Whip here on this top part, basically on all, on all the layers. You can also favorite them because then it's here. So once you have applied all the whips, now you go and click on the whip. Now you have to adjust. It should come in. Let's use this one. So you want to have it in 90 degrees angle because right now it's going up and down. So you type in a 90, right? So now, as you can see, that the first clip on top, it goes from left to the right. So this is super cool what we want. And the other ones you see, it's like completely different. And what I always do is if I have 3 clips, I go with one from left to the right, the other one from the right to the left, and then this one from left to the right again. So it's like the both top and bottom layer is going to one side and this to the other one. So you have like a cool movement. And how you do this, so 90% plus, meaning it goes from left to the right. So the part here, which this clip is not the middle clip. So you have to see which one is in the middle. You see the lower one is the middle clip. So this one I want to get from the right to the left. So you have to type in a -90. Now let's go frame by frame. You see it's going the bottom and the top one from left to the right and the other one. And this is basically it. That's like the whole thing. It's like going now, whoop. And that's all. Now you have to do the same here, but opposite. So the lower layer here in this case is the middle layer. So we want to go now from -90. Now we go to +90. So it's 90 and they're both here is -90. You can play around with all the other settings, but to be honest, like the easiest way is like just doing that way. And now you have going from ungraded back to the graded version. And everything looks like that now. Whoop. And then back. So super easy. And that's how you can make this very nice transition from log to graded. And then you have the title, obviously. Now it will lag a little bit. So then showing this. Now you can also, if you want to make it longer, so you stretch it a little bit more. And this way you will extend how like it starts earlier and it smoothly goes to the graded or ungraded version. So if you want to have it quick, then leave it shorter. And that way you can make this nice transition with split screen.